Hi, I'm Pooja from St. Joseph Residential School from 12th Commerce Group. This is my project for demonetization. Index Demonetization. Reason for demonetization in India: positive and negative effects. Demonetization effects in world. Demonetization in India. Demonetization Indian economy. Topic 1: Demonetization of Indian currency. What is demonetization? Demonetization is the act of stripping a currency unit of status as legal tender. Demonetization is necessary whenever there is a change of national currency must be re-related and replaced with a new currency unit. On 8th November 2016, Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi announced the demonetization in an unscheduled live televised address to the nation at 2015. In the announcement, Modi decided circulation of all 500 and 1,000 banknotes of all Mahatma Gandhi series as invalid, effective from the midnight of the same day, and announced the issuance of new 500 and 2,000 banknotes of the Mahatma Gandhi new series in exchange of the old banknotes. Introduction. On 8th November 2016, PM Narendra Modi announced the demonetization in an unscheduled live televised address at 20. Modi decided that use of all 500 and 1,000 banknotes would be invalid past midnight and announced the issuance of new 500 and 2,000 banknotes in exchange for the old banknotes. Meaning of demonetization. Demonetization is the act of stripping a currency unit of its status as legal tender. The old unit of currency must be retrieved and replaced with a new currency unit. Reason for demonetization in India. We know terrorism is a frightening threat, but who funds these terrorists? Our enemies. They use the fake currency to sponsor terror. This was proven many a time. Corruption and bank money are the major obstacles in our country. It is weakening the efforts to remove poverty. Our country is rapidly increased in terms of growth and we are in number one position in terms of growth, but we are ranked 76 growth corruption perception ranking. It clearly shows how corruption and bank money have spread their tentacles. This is a chart of perception share of demonetization before demonetization. Impact of demonetization. Demonetization impacts 20 trillion human trafficking industries, other sectors like drug trafficking, illegal trade, and the money used in it, funding of election, and involvement of various terrorist group affects badly. Stop towards cashless economy. Real estate can see significant causes of correction. Negative impact. The scarcity of cash due to demonetization leads to a chaos, and most of the people holding old banknotes face difficulties exchanging them due to endless line outside bank ATMs across India, which become a daily routine of millions of people waiting to deposit or exchange the 500 and 1,000 banknotes since 9 November. Several people were reported to have died for standing in queues for hours to exchange their old banknotes. By the end of the year 2016, opposition leads claiming that overall 100 people had died due to demonetization. Demonetization effects. Life of countries that have tried demonetization: US 1973, US 1969, India 1978, Ghana 1982, Nigeria 1984, Myanmar 1987, Soviet Union 1919, Zaire 1993, Australia 1996, Europe Union 2002, North Korea 2010, Zimbabwe 2015, India November 2016, Venezuela December 2016. India November 2016. On November 2016, PM Narendra Modi decided that from the stock of midnight, 500 and 1000 rupees notes would ceased to be legal tender. This immediately sparked unrest, and an estimated 15 tons of gold worth 5,000 crores was brought within a hour of the announcement. ATMs and banks was engulfed with people demanding and depositing cash. This situation only deteriorated, therefore. Demonetization in India. Effects of stock market. After exchanging 500,000 currency demonetization scheme after a week, how do you feel about it?